Morning rant. If you happen to be driving your car in the morning during rush hour traffic and you want to have your coffee, that's fine. If you want to be having your coffee in a regular ceramic open-topped mug while you're driving, that's illegal. Plus, it's just dangerous and stupid. Any little bit of movement is going to cause that hot liquid to spill all over the place. If you put it down in the cup holder. If you hold it in place in your hand, then you've just taken away your ability to react constantly. Why? Just get a travel mug. They're everywhere. For the amount you spent on that ceramic mug, you can buy a travel mug with a lid and a seal. Ugh.